Hi, good morning. David Stolfo with MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia. Appreciate the opportunity to show you this really nice Crest II 220 tri-tune boat, powered with the Mercury 150. This boat has the CPT performance option on the boat. Includes the aluminum underskinning, the C-Star hydraulic steering. It comes with the lifting strakes, the 3 25-inch tubes. What a great performing boat. It just really comes out of the hole nice. Will allow you to do the water sports with the Junior Beast ski tow bar there. This one is black metallic exterior color with the tan upholstery inside. Everybody likes black and tan. And then this one has the cabin life tan polyvinyl flooring. So it all pulls together super great. You've got the center walk-through with the split loungers here, a nice seating plan. There is a good little bit of room back here to swim off of, and plenty of room to fish and swim. Nice flow through here, ease of ingress and egress. Love the all fiberglass helm with the 2-inch depth finder, the tilt wheel. I like this storage area for my phone and my wallet and my car keys. Captain's cooled cup holder is the world's greatest invention. After the wheel, then came the Captain's cooled cup holder. Also, you got your Fusion stereo with the Bluetooth is super nice. Love the little brow here with the upholstered to keep your gauges looking good. And just want you to come out, meet with us in person. We've got these Crest and we're ready to get you on the water and let you try one in the water with us. And you can find us at MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia at 770-614-6968. And I'm David Stolfo, and as a team we look forward to helping you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.